Hello everyone, welcome to Vegan Voila. I am Lena. I can't stress enough the importance of microbiome, not only for our gut health, but for our overall health. And when I had a COVID infection, and when my gut function was completely destroyed, this plant-based yogurt helped me to recover from it. And it's so easy to make and so much cheaper to make. Why don't you start making your own yogurt for yourself and also for your loved ones? Let's just dive into it. In terms of the ingredients, firstly and most importantly, we need to have plant-based milk. I'm going to use soy milk today. And I prepared 3 different types of milk here because each brand has different consistency, different taste. So I'd like to compare the final result of the yogurt at the end of the clip. And secondly, we need to have probiotics. Probiotics serve as a culture. So the reason why I like to use probiotics is that I can have control over different strains of probiotics. At least you need to use 10 CFUs. Normally I think here in Australia you can buy between 10 and 20 and you can have only a couple of different strains, and if it's 50 colony forming units, then maybe around between 5 and 8, and if it's more than 100, then more than 8 to 10. I like to go at least over 50. The next step is we're gonna go and put these capsules into the soy milk. How easy that is. Okay, now I'm going to put these probiotic capsules into the soy milk. Okay, before you do that, make sure you shake the soy milk really well. Then open the lid. And you can actually throw the whole thing, but just what I do normally, open the capsule very carefully. And put only the powder into the milk. And I just don't need that. And make sure you just put the lid back on and shake it really well. Basically, that's what you need to do. The yogurt is ready after at least a day, 24 hours. This is the Vita Soy one. This is actually is the thickest in terms of the consistency. And can you see over here? And the macro one, as you can see, it's quite thin. And I'll show you here. I don't know whether you can see really well. And also, now the last one is a Pure Harvest. Actually, it has this thinnest consistency. Let me just do a test here. The Pure Harvest one. Slightly sour. Pretty good. And actually the macaron, it has sugar. Because of sugar content, it's nice and sweet. And the Vita Soy one. Out of these 3, they taste all nice, but in terms of consistency, I would go for Vita Soy, and also my second choice would be Pure Harvest. Lastly, I'm going to show you something that can be very useful. You don't want to buy probiotics all the time because it can be costly. So I use the yogurt that you have made already and use it as a culture. So let me show you how I do it. It's so easy to do. Now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the yogurt into the milk. Before you do that, make sure you shake them. Thank you for tuning into my channel, Vegan Voila. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.